Welcome to this short energy and water reporting video for buildings by the City of Toronto.
To add an EWRB ID to a property, navigate to the My Portfolio tab and select your property. Once you are on the dedicated page for your property, click on the Details tab. Scroll down the page to find the Unique Identifiers or IDs section on the left side of the page. Click the Edit button in that section. On the Edit Property Identifiers page, scroll down to the Standard IDs section. From the Standard IDs drop-down list, select Ontario EWRB ID. In the ID field, enter the unique 6-digit Ontario EWRB ID for your property. For instructions on how to obtain an EWRB ID for your property, review Step 1 in this video, or consult page 7 of the Ministry of Energy's Portfolio Manager Guide for property owners. Links to both can be found in the description below this video. Important: be sure to use the correct EWRB ID for your property when submitting your EWRB report to the Ministry of Energy. Click the Save button.
Thank you for watching the City of Toronto video on energy and water reporting for buildings.